They give you that look. Turned up nose and chin, proud eyes, and or they twist their lips in a proud way. Fake smile when you're around. They give you a smile that makes them seem like it's all good to her friends, and they slightly raise their eyebrows at you. Their eyes linger on you long after you've left the conversation. Particularly looks of disdain or just very condescending looks. They make intense eye contact. Not just eye contact, but some real disdainful kind. They're trying to tell you to stay out of my way, or they're just trying to put you down. They're not natural when around you. Walking more straightly, shoulders back, back straight, chin up. Just really unnatural, like they're trying to act superior.